we're gonna put you on a hot seat real quick, man. We're gonna put Reggie on a hot seat.
Sure.
Starting over, man. What would you do differently?
Starting over, I wish I would have started earlier. At this point, it can continue where we are. You know, again, you just understand, like I said, the market's up and down. And so I think maybe spread out more, you know, on the investing side, you know, because, you know, we've done a bit on the south side of Chicago, you know, but again, you know, we are Chicago. So I think it's just expanding, you know, and being more open to different parts of their markets, you know, north side, west side, you know, and then also in our suburban areas as well, you know.
Okay.
So I think it's just, for me, just expanded, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And then what do you believe is one characteristic every high producing investor should have?
Patience and dedication.
Okay.
Patience and dedication. You know, because again, like I said, you know, everyone wants to hit a home run, you know, first bad thing, you know, it does, you know, get a little, I guess, frustrating, overwhelming, you know, because it's like things not working. But then all of a sudden, boom, you know,
yeah,
you catch the right one, and then, or you start catching a slew of, you know. So first and foremost is of course your ambition, your dedication, but yet definitely need patience.
Okay. So in parting, man, we're gonna wrap this all up, tie it all together. In parting, give us a few words of encouragement for those people that may be at that wall, or they at the plate and they just trying to swing home runs every time. What would you tell them real quickly, real briefly? Give them some words of encouragement that they can take away from this podcast and understand, hey, you know what, I need to keep going.
Well, first I say trust your heart. You know,
okay,
if it was in your heart when you first got into it anyway, you know, trust your heart. You know, stay consistent. If you think about, like, you know, let's just say celebrities, you know, for that fact, you know, not every initial first song was a hit song, you know, movie was a hit movie and things, you know, but, you know, just staying, you know, true to your heart, you know, your passion, just you really have a passion for it, desire, you know, stay consistent and things will work out, you know, along with like doing your due diligence, you know, following up, you know, reading on certain things, you know, communicating, networking definitely is a must, you know, because sometimes when you network, you never know what you may just come across, which might have been exactly what you was looking for, you know. So again, I definitely say, you know, stay true to your heart, you know, trust your heart.
All right, guys, you have it. There you go. Reggie said, stay true to your heart, stay true to your passion. If it's something that you truly want to do, just get after it and stick with it. Reggie, man, I really appreciate it. This was actually, I wanted to get you as a team member on here, man, just to talk to people so they can see, hey, how it went from, yeah, I kind of want to do real estate. I was thinking about it, had some bad turns back in the days. And now it's like, all right, Marcus, I kind of see what you're doing, man. What do I need to do in order to kind of do and mimic what you're doing so I can get back into real estate? So I wanted to bring you on. I really appreciate it, brother, for you being here, man. And I'll let you enjoy the rest of your morning and your day. I kind of got you up a little bit early to do this.
All right. Burger gets the worm, man.
You got it, man. So we love equity listeners. Remember, you can find all of this information, this podcast on all your Apple products, everywhere you can find podcasts, and also on YouTube. And remember, you can always follow me on MRCS Maloney on Instagram, MRCS Maloney on Facebook. Reggie, you got any handles you want to share, social media, for people to follow you?
Not at the moment right now, guys, but I definitely will be. A lot of things working, got things on the platform coming to you soon.
All right. Okay. So remember to always, always, always enjoy the journey.